Two powerhouse platforms in e-commerce battle it out. Magento versus Ecwid. Which one really delivers? On the left, Magento, enterprise-grade flexibility for growing businesses. And on the right, Ecwid, effortless selling for small businesses. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points. By the end, you'll know who truly comes out on top. The result might just surprise you. So here's the game plan. We're comparing Magento and Ecwid across all the key categories. We've got pricing, customization, scalability, ease of use, features, analytics, marketing, hosting, support, and, of course, who these platforms are really for. It's like seeing the whole roadmap before picking the route. Let's kick off with pricing and cost. Magento, first. If you go for the open source version, it's actually free, which sounds like a total win at first glance. Plus, you only shell out money for the modules you really want, which is nice, right? But, and it's a big but, the enterprise plans are kind of wild. We're talking $24,000 or more per year. On top of that, you've got to pay for your devs and hosting, so it stacks up fast. Now, Ecwid. Ecwid's big flex is those super clear, affordable plans. Even a free tier. No setup fees, so you can just start selling like instantly. However, as your store grows and you need those more advanced features, you'll be bumping up to the pricier tiers and subscriptions, which, honestly, can sneak up on you over time. Still, for most people, Ecwid just nails cost-effectiveness. So, yeah, Ecwid definitely takes this one. Moving over to customization and flexibility. Magento? Oh man, it's the king here. Seriously, you get full access to the code, crazy levels of customization among a giant ecosystem of extensions. This is where you can build literally anything, if you know what you're doing. The steep learning curve is no joke. You need actual developer skills. Now, Ecwid, on the other hand, is built for simplicity. You can set up layouts super easily, and the drag-and-drop editor is a breeze. But I'll be real, you're not going to be creating something wildly unique. Design choices and integrations are kind of limited. So if you want that personalized pro-level store, you won't really get that here. Winner in terms of customization? Magento, all day. Next up, scalability. Magento first. If you've got dreams of massive product catalogs, multiple stores, going global, Magento is built for that level of ambition. Multi-store setups, loads of international options. It's totally ready for growth. Of course, you need solid hosting, and let's be honest, scaling does get more complex. Ecwid? It's kind of the opposite. It's awesome if you've got a small product lineup and low traffic, and it's super stable for that scale. But if your store suddenly starts exploding in size, Ecwid doesn't handle big inventories or spikes in traffic as well as Magento. So yeah, scalability, that's Magento's sweet spot. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Magento, it's been around since 2008 and powers some Fortune 500 online stores. Meanwhile, Ecwid is actually used by over 1 million websites for simple selling, embedded and ready to go. Pretty wild, right? All right, now let's talk about ease of use. Magento first. If you're a power user and you like deep admin tools, great. It's actually pretty advanced. But for most folks, the dashboard can be overwhelming, and onboarding, it's a slog. You need time, maybe even a tech team. Jumping to Ecwid, this is where small business owners and beginners perk up. Ecwid's interface just makes sense. The first time you log in, you can figure it out, no code needed, and it's really quick to get your store up and running. The only catch is, you might hit a wall if you want advanced features. But overall, Ecwid is miles easier for most new sellers. Obvious win here for Ecwid. On to features and integrations. Magento is loaded, like next level. You've got super advanced product catalogs, full-on marketing, SEO, multi-channel selling, the works. If you need serious e-commerce muscle, it's almost overkill for smaller stores. Ecwid, solid multi-channel selling, you get several payment methods, plenty for everyday stores. Thing is, it just doesn't bring the same feature depth, especially for high-level customization. Bottom line, if you need the big stuff, Magento is where you go. Let's check out analytics and reporting. Magento comes in hot here. There are advanced reports, custom dashboards, all kinds of tracking. You can run deep dives on pretty much any metric. Yeah, setting it all up can get complicated, but data nerds love this. Ecwid's got simple analytics, which is totally fine for most basic shops, but you won't be slicing and dicing data for granular insights. Winner for reporting? That's Magento. All right, SEO and marketing tools. Magento, again, stands out with some serious advanced SEO features, even international SEO if you want to sell globally, plus pretty detailed marketing tools, though sometimes you'll need a third-party app to totally max things out. With Ecwid, you get the basics covered. Fine for local stores or smaller shops, but not much depth if you want to get super technical. Once more, Magento takes the SEO trophy. Okay, hosting and platform. Magento gives you choices. Go self-hosted if you want all the control, or use their cloud service for convenience. With self-hosting, the performance and control are awesome, but you have to handle security and updates, which can be pretty demanding. Ecwid makes everything easy. It's fully cloud-hosted, super convenient, but you'll have less say over the backend and server tweaks. It's kind of a trade-off. Honestly, this one's a tie, depending on what kind of responsibility you want. Let's talk support and community. Magento's got a huge global developer community, tons of docs and forums. There's serious brainpower out there if you get stuck. If you go for enterprise-level help, it does cost extra, but you get VIP support. Ecwid's support is very responsive, and they make onboarding nice and clear. But their ecosystem is a bit smaller, and there just aren't as many third-party guides. When it comes to raw support muscle, Magento's got the edge. Finally, who are these platforms actually for? Magento is just built for the big guns, medium and large stores, high-volume online sales, companies that want to go all in with features. For tiny teams with little tech bandwidth, it's maybe not the best. Ecwid, if you're a solopreneur running a small business or just dipping your toes into e-commerce, Ecwid feels like it's made for you. You'll grow out of it eventually if your needs explode, but for early days, it's perfect. Honestly, this one's a tie. Just depends on what you need. So, if we mapped all these categories side by side, you'd see Magento flexing on most advanced fronts. Features, scalability, customization, while Ecwid shines for pricing and beginner friendliness. The radar chart just shows how differently these two are positioned. You know what? If you want all the bells and whistles, and you're dreaming about being the next big thing in global e-commerce, Magento is honestly hard to beat. But if you just want to hop online, start selling with zero hassle, and not stress about tech stuff, Ecwid is a total lifesaver. It's almost like comparing a luxury home you build from scratch versus a stylish apartment you move into overnight. Pick the one that fits your plans. So, ready to start your online business journey? Honestly, just go Magento if you want limitless growth, or Ecwid if you want to make it super quick and easy. The choice is yours.